Hello friends, this is Sheetal Jain. Welcome to my channel shitu-da-art. So friends, in Diwali Decor Series I had come with a new video. So as Diwali coming, we are all busy in styling our home, decorating our home. So I thought why not to share one more idea with you. So today I'm going to show you how we can decor our center table in 3 ways. So I'm going to tell you 3 ways how we can decor our center table. So let's get started. So friends, how was the video? Just let me know in comment section whether you love it or not, and definitely try these ideas in your home to decor your center table, and just subscribe my channel and like the video if you like.